prefixes un, dis, re. They may look small, but they are powerful. These little prefixes totally change the meaning of the root word. A prefix is added to the beginning of a root word, just like a preview comes before you view a movie. When you add a prefix to a word, you change the meaning of the root word. Today we're going to look at the prefixes un, dis, and re. Look at the prefix un. The prefix un means not, or the opposite of. So the prefix un changes the meaning of the root word by adding not to the meaning. So happy becomes unhappy, which means not happy. Happy becomes unhappy, which is the opposite or not. Unsure means not sure. Unfair means not fair. Unlikely means not likely. It's not likely that it would be snowy in Florida. Let's look at the prefix dis. The prefix dis means not, or the opposite of. Disapprove means to not approve. When you approve, it means you agree or you like something. When you disapprove, you do not like it, you do not agree with it. So dis adds the meaning not or opposite of. So if you have the word appear, which means you make it show, and you add the dis in front of it, disappear, it's the opposite of making something show up. It takes it away. First I made the bunny appear, and then I made it disappear. Distrust means to not trust. Dislike means to not like. Let's look at the prefix re. The prefix re means again. One more time! Redo means to do again. I am redoing my writing. I could also say I am rewriting it. I will review, look at it again, review it for errors. That means to view or look at it again. Replay means to play it again. If you're watching sports on TV, sometimes they say, ooh, we have an instant replay. That means they rewind the film and they show that section of the film again. They play it again. They replay. Reheat means to heat again. Re means again or to go back. I had to redo my huge book pile this morning. The books I'm sitting on there, they fell down, so I had to redo them. I like to reread my favorite books. I read them again. I go back and I read them again. I had to retie my shoe 3 times already today. Retie, I had to tie it again. So slippery laces. When you add a prefix to a word, you add or change the meaning of the root word. Un adds the meaning not, so happy becomes unhappy. Dis adds the meaning not or opposite of. Appear becomes disappear, which has an opposite meaning. Re means to do again, like redo, reread, or retie. These are all prefixes. A prefix is a little word part that is added to the beginning of a root word. Use them. They are epically powerful.